Newton Crouch Incorporated presents technical tips. How to use the rate chart on your fertilizer lime spreader. Spreaders with a drive wheel have a rate chart on the back of the hopper. This rate chart will give you the proper gate setting to spread fertilizer or lime. There are 4 main factors that affect your spread pattern: your drive wheel size, your swath, your conveyor width, and your sprocket ratio. There are many different sprocket ratios. To determine your sprocket configuration, start at the drive wheel, go to the jack shaft, then to the rear roller. If you have a third or half rate kit, you start at the drive shaft, go to the alternate jack shaft, from the alternate jack shaft to the jack shaft, and the jack shaft goes to the rear roller. Looking at our photo of third-rate chains, plus our chart showing the third-rate sprockets for our application, start at 12 drive wheel, go to 36 jack shaft alternate, 12 jack shaft alternate, to 54 jack shaft. Knowing your product density is essential to your spread pattern. Newton Crouch has a video how to determine your product density on our YouTube channel. Once you know your product density and you know how many pounds per acre you wish to spread, you can go to the chart and find your gate height. There are multiple pounds per acre and product densities shown on the chart. Let's say we want to spread urea, which weighs 48 pounds per cubic foot. We want to spread 308 pounds per acre. Go to the column for 48 pounds per cubic foot density. Find 308, go across to 2. This is our gate setting for 45-foot swath, 4.8 drive wheel, 12 to 54, 12 to 36 sprocket ratio on a spreader with a 24-inch conveyor chain. Do you want a different swath width? Divide the swath you want by the swath shown on the chart. Different swath widths are calculated using a multiplier that is a percentage of our given swath. Let's say we would like to use a 35-foot swath. Divide 35 by 45 and you get 0.77. Now multiply 0.77 times 2 and it'll give you your new gate setting of 1.54 inches. Do you want a 60-foot swath? Divide 60 by 45 to get your multiplier. Multiply 1.33 times 2. Your new gate setting is 2.66 inches. Now you know how to change your swath width. Another issue you may have when using the chart is that your material density does not match the weights shown on the chart. Go to the chart and find the number that is closest to your actual product density. In this case, 65. Divide 62 by 65 and you get 0.95. 0.95 is your new multiplier. Multiply 0.95 times any number in the 65 column. That is how much 62-pound product you will be putting out at that gate setting. If we multiply 313 by 0.95, our new rate is 297 pounds per acre at a density of 62 pounds per cubic foot for a 1.5-inch gate and a 45-foot swath. If you have a third or half-rate kit, there is a separate chart for using these sprocket settings. The third or half rate allows you to achieve much lower spread application rates. Once you have chosen a spread rate and you know your product density, you use the chart exactly as the others to find your gate setting. All the charts that we have discussed so far are for fertilizer. There is a separate chart for lime. Most lime weighs 85 to 90 pounds per cubic foot. You should verify your product density before you start spreading. Once you have chosen a spread rate and you know your product density, You use the chart exactly as the others to find your gate setting. It has been our experience that lime doesn't break out clean, it always drops down. You may need to add 1/4 to 1/2 inch to your gate setting. Swath or product density adjustments for lime are calculated just as they were for our fertilizer charts. There are a few special concerns when using these charts. Your drive wheel size is very important. The drive wheel causes the rear roller to turn. All NCI charts are based on a Newton-Crouch rear roller. It too has a specific size. Changing a drive wheel to a different size will nullify your chart. You must have a 4.8 drive wheel to use NCI charts. Your ground wheel size does not affect your spread pattern. Never set your gate below 1.5 inches. If there is debris or clumps in your product, it may damage the gate trying to get through a smaller gate opening. If you are ordering a replacement chart for your spreader, make sure you provide the parts room with your serial number. The serial number provides as-built information. There are many different charts. These charts are very specific. We hope this video has answered your questions. There are several ways to get technical assistance. First, your operator's manual was made just for your unit. Keep it on hand and refer to it. Second, our website has a wealth of information available to you 24/7. Please visit us at www.newtoncrouch.com and go to the menus Support and Technical Support. Information is divided into dry, liquid, and precision. Third, visit the Newton Crouch YouTube channel. We are adding new videos regularly. Lastly, we are always glad to speak with you between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. When you call us at 800-241-1350, a person will answer your call. No automated menus. Proudly made in America, a family-owned business since 1940, Newton Crouch, Inc.